I'm going to teach you how to solve a rabbit cube part 1. In part 1, I'm going to teach you how to solve it one day. So, look, okay, this is the starting. You must, if this is the middle. If you want to find this middle, you must find other white cube in the middle. So, here, must find one. You put it up here. You put it at the left or right. You can put it on the left or right, it doesn't matter. You turn it back so you got it. You got the mark here. So as I said, you want to find here, you find other rabbit, other cube, that's right, put it up here. So turn it another, put it back and turn it back. So put it up here. Okay, you have to put it up here. If there is no more in the middle, you find if the red cube is in the middle here, you want to put it here to turn on the left. Put it back down, turn it back, and here. If it is under, you want to find it, you put it here. You, so you put it at the position of this and here. You put it down, so turn it two times. Put it up. But if it doesn't get, you try my method. Here, up here, go this side, put down, turn back, and here you go, you have your one